Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model Y. First, understand that your Model Y can be charged using various methods, from standard wall outlets to high-speed superchargers. Locate the charging port, which is conveniently positioned on the rear driver's side of the vehicle. Then, simply connect the appropriate charging cable firmly into the port until you hear a click, ensuring a secure connection for efficient power transfer. Always check the vehicle's screen to confirm charging has begun. For home charging, you have several convenient options. A standard 120-volt wall outlet provides basic charging, adding a few miles of range per hour. For significantly faster charging, consider installing a Tesla wall connector, which can deliver up to 48 amps. Alternatively, the mobile connector offers flexibility, allowing you to charge from various outlets with different adapters, making it perfect for travel or when a wall connector isn't available. When you're on the go, Tesla's extensive supercharger network offers rapid charging, allowing you to quickly add hundreds of miles of range in about 20 to 30 minutes. Destination chargers, often found at hotels and restaurants, provide convenient charging while you're parked for an extended period. Additionally, your Model Y can access many third-party charging networks using adapters, expanding your charging options significantly across different locations and providers. To maximize battery longevity, it's generally recommended to charge your Model Y to 80% for daily driving, reserving full charges for longer trips. Also, precondition your battery before supercharging, especially in colder weather, to ensure optimal charging speeds and efficiency. This warms the battery to its ideal temperature. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.